Chapter 2. Let's rock.
Can you rock with me? Oh, baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh, baby, all over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking.
Hey guys, I am just getting ready. It's like 1 in the afternoon. I just uploaded a vlog, the vlog of me getting my hair done, but I am getting ready to get my toes done. Please excuse the mess, like it's just been so hectic. And I wrapped my hair, but I left this little vent in the side. And I just got this straightener yesterday. It's the Babyless Titanium Pro. And I kind of like that my hair has this puffy look now because it looks more natural. I don't like for my weave to be bone straight because my hair isn't bone straight. I'm like in a huge rush to get to this pedicure because they're like, either you come now or we can't see you until like 4. And I don't have time for that. So I'm going with a friend and she has somewhere to be. There's really not enough time for chit chat, you guys. So I'm gonna just throw on my accessories and then I'll see y'all when I get to the hair salon. The nail salon. I'm screaming the Be Real. Okay, what if I want to do like a little pink on my toes instead of white? Is this like a cute?
Still didn't smile, but it's okay.
I didn't smile? Girl, I'm looking like an old lady talking about.
Okay, time to be real.
Okay. Is this cute for toes? Or is that too dark?
I mean, I only do clear, so.
Clear? What's the point?
So it looks pretty.
I always do white.
I always do clear because when it grows out, it still looks.
Did you already tell her for 2 pedicures? Oh y'all, I'm with a Mimi. We're getting impromptu pedicures because I just couldn't stand.
This was impromptu. I needed to do it, but then affect it.
Yeah, I just
long overdue.
For real. I've gotten a pedicure in like a month. A month and some time.
I love Be Real. You need to download this.
Girl, I had Be Real.
And use it.
No, it wasn't doing it for me.
It's so fun.
What's the difference? Like, which pink for my toes?
This one's lighter. That one's more bubblegum.
That's cute.
How great that is. It's up to our ceiling, and our ceilings are like really tall. That's Caitlin, my roommate.
Like that?
Yes.
She's so sweet. She brought me some goodies, you guys. So let's see. I also have some things for you, Amini. I'm getting just like the basic. Thank you. Here you go, queen. I have some things for you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. I think tonight I'm probably just gonna like, I think what I'm gonna do is straighten it, but like make it like feathered looking, like 90s type blowout straighten.
This is what I want to do for my hair when I'm on Tuesday. This is gonna be my inspo.
Hold
But
on.
I'm probably gonna be like a little bit shorter.
Wait, I'm trying to focus it with the
But I want like the current day.
Oh yeah, that's cute. You should do that. No, I mean, he's abandoning me. It's just really so rude. She got a clear coat and now she's dipping.
Yeah. Slay mama. So we good tonight.
Okay, so I'm out of the nail salon. It's about 3 o'clock now. I'm headed back home. So much stuff happened in the nail salon, y'all. I forgot my Lululemon bag with the clothes that Amini gave me. And then I forgot my slides in the bathroom. My Fendi slides that I love and wear like every single day. Forgot those in the bathroom. I was like, oh my god, somebody probably took them. But actually, nobody was gonna take those because I have a huge foot. Nobody could have even fit those. So I had to go back and get my slides, and then I had to run to Walgreens and da-da-da-da-da-da. And I'm honestly tired after drinking that mimosa. So right now, I'm probably about to take a nap as soon as I get home. I'm about 5 minutes away, so see you there. Every time I vlog, I always have a host. What my friend gave me while we were at the nail salon. So she gave me this Princess Polly dress, and I love the color blue. It's like a little mini dress with like a little keyhole vibe. Oh, this is so cute. I might wear this to dinner tonight, I don't know. But it's so cute. I also love Harley Davidson, so she gave me this tank top that I'm gonna wear with like some flare pants for sure. Oh, so cute. I'm obsessed with Harley. Okay, UPS just came and I got a package from Twisted Lily, and I love getting packages from Twisted Lily because like I said, I love fragrance. So let's get into it. Yo, I'm so excited for this. Lyra is literally like one of my favorite fragrances of all time. I've gotten samples of this. I've gotten like renditions of this. It's like a caramel lemon pound cake, and I like to mix it with other fragrances, and I always get complimented. So I'm so happy to like have this in my collection now because I'm probably going to end up wearing this like every day. Seriously. This is Lyra. I actually just noticed that on the side it has a note breakdown and a whole little story. It has caramel, blood orange, liqueur. This smells like the most moist vanilla ice lemon pound cake. This is like a grown-up gourmand. It lasts forever, so I'm seriously so excited to have a full size. Like I never shut up about it, and I always get complimented every single time I go out wearing this. People always want to know what I'm wearing. My friends are like, can I put that on? No, absolutely not. Because first of all, I just have this little sample, and second, I'm gonna be the only person getting compliments tonight, okay? But now I have the full size, so maybe I'll share. Twisted Lily does have a 1 ounce size that's more affordable than the 3.4 ounce that I have here, as well as samples that I will leave linked down below along with my code. Next, Royal Sapphire from Thameen London. Packaging is gorgeous. Stunning. This is it. This is Royal Sapphire. The notes in Royal Sapphire are mandarin orange, bergamot, jasmine, amber, oak moss, patchouli, and woody notes. It just smells so luxurious. According to the box, there's also frangipani. If y'all want to sample this, I'll leave a link for this down below as well. What I love about Twisted Lily is that they always have samples. That's like my go-to place for samples because they're so inexpensive. They're like $5, $6, and you can get a special offer for money off with my code Sarah10. First of all, I love the color blue. My dog's name is literally Blue. I just feel like blue is so luxurious. I love the detailing on the cap. I love when brands and houses pay attention to detailing because I feel like that's part of the entire experience. Like when you're paying for products, like you're paying for the experience. Look at this. I'm not getting rid of this box. I'm probably going to keep it in here because this is incredible. Like what? I also got some samples. This one is Italica from the Zarzoff Cosmerati line, and this is like a toffee almond scent. I already sprayed it off camera. It really smells like almond cookies. I need a full size immediately. Oh, it smells like almond extract, toffee, and biscotti. It's really making my mouth water. This smells so good. Oh, I'm probably gonna like wear the heck out of the sample. This is what it is, Italica. I cannot wait for the weather to drop just a little bit because I love a good gourmand scent. I'm a gourmand girl. If anything has any sort of edible note, I'm all for it. This is what my room looks like right now, so I'm going to do some cleaning because this is insane, like insane. Only took me like 10 minutes. The floor is clear now, so There we go. And then these are just boxes I'm gonna take out, but I'm gonna charge up my camera so I can get ready and then take a nap for real this time. And I'll see y'all later. Okay, so I am ready for dinner. I already put on my fragrance. I put on Cosmarati Lara. I had to, especially with what I use to shower with, and I smell incredible. I'm wearing this dress, which is from Aritzia, and then these little platform shoes that are from Steve Madden, and then my usual accessories. I'm just wearing a watch and a bracelet. My hair is a little bit boring, so I'm probably gonna spice that up, and then we're gonna head on over to the restaurant. We're going to this place called Julia. It's like our favorite spot, and it's adorable in there. It looks like a movie theater, but it's really like a speakeasy hidden restaurant. So cute. Okay, I'm literally so annoyed because I left my house 40 minutes ago, and this place is about 20 minutes from my house. And the way Houston is set up, there's always lane closures, and it's just so aggravating. Like, why are there lane closures every day? Why can't people drive? Why are people getting in constant wrecks? Like, hey world! Hey. Alexa just got her hair did. Get into it. It's giving slick. Yes. I mean, he's not talking to us right now because we're 30 minutes late. But in our defense, I was caught in traffic, and I had outfit issues. She had a wardrobe malfunction, so it's not entirely our fault. She got her light too. We got these lights off of Amazon. It's so bright. It's so. It's so embarrassing. Like, I can't see with y'all. Yes. Wait, with your phone. Bring your ass all the way around. Alright, fine, there. Wait, can you not take it off Snapchat? The Snapchat camera is just a wrap. Yeah, Snapchat camera is dirty. I like my camera. The last supper for the next month. Strong. I should go my car and do a little thing. I like how to chase it. When I was asking the security guard
bodyguard, if I could park parallel on the curb, my titty fell out.
Oh, I know that's why you was like, you know what?
She was like,
Okay. Your titty fell out.
I was like, oh. The whole thing fell out. Could you not? Oh, get her meaning. Oh, feel the groove. Waiting for our food. It's finally here. Ah! Memories first. Every time.
I don't know what they be doing back there, but they be cooking.
We finally established our girlfriend spot.
Right? I know, isn't that crazy? Ooh, it's so yummy. I'm gonna set up a bread.
I think chicken and waffles looks good.
Yo, I don't know if it's the CBD, but mix the shrimp with this, it's so good. Bro, what? I don't know about it. No, it's so good.
Honestly, y'all, the food was trash. Like, happy birthday! Woo! Happy birthday! Yeah! That ain't nobody's birthday.
Whose birthday is it closest to?
I like her. Wait, for 25. Ah! I need to reapply my lips.
Wait, which one?